Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, Helping Hands. Today, Cousin Kyrie and I are offering helping hands to our neighbors, Miss Chang and Mr. Wu. We are offering our helping hands. Miss Chang needs help with her online store. Cousin Kyrie and I are helping her count her inventory and package her items. We are also helping Miss Chang enter orders on the computer. We are now loading up the trucks and helping Miss Chang fill all of her orders. Miss Chang is very grateful to Kyrie and I for helping her. She is grateful for our helping hands. Mr. Wu owns a Chinese restaurant. Today he needs extra help in the restaurant's kitchen. We are willing to help Mr. Wu with our helping hands. Kyrie and I will begin in the kitchen. Before we begin anything, Kyrie and I will wash our hands. First, Kyrie and I will help Mr. Wu cut up fresh fruits and vegetables. Now it's time to help Mr. Wu serve the delicious Chinese cuisine. Next, we will help Mr. Wu close his restaurant for the day. Mr. Wu is very grateful for our helping hands. We love helping Miss Chang when she visits the farmer's market. Kyrie and I even helped Mr. Wu wash his car. Kyrie and I use our helping hands to help others in our community. We do not use our hands to hit or harm anyone. Let's all use our hands to assist our friends and neighbors. Helping hands create happy people.